Well, guess where we're at?
Hello, welcome to EPCOT.
They're still doing flower and garden. Sorry guys, we just got done with eating at Garden Grill and I am like still stuffed. Oh. But guys, if you are new here,
hello, hi, and welcome.
As we are trying to show you everything that we missed.
And maybe new things.
Yeah.
So if you see anything new or we missed, leave a comment.
Yeah, or if you see something that you want us to try, let us know. We'll try to come back and do that. But if you are new here and you feel like subscribing, hit that bell or hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification.
We're trying to get monetized before the end of the year, so if you can please help us out and hit that subscribe button, share with your family and friends. Hopefully they like what we do.
Yeah.
We like what we do because we love all of you and we're here for you.
You know, I've been stuttering my way through this intro, and you would think after 300 videos it would get it right.
I don't know, Fam Bam. You guys know Brian already.
Alright guys, but honestly, we're really excited to see what kind of new snacks, if they have any,
or
new merch.
Ones we haven't tried.
That too. So we're really excited.
Yes.
Enjoy this video.
Yay!
One of the greatest things that we like about flower and garden are the butterfly. And they're everywhere.
Happy birthday! Look at tucked where to walk there too.
Aren't these awesome?
Oh, it shows a different one. So there are more monarchs. I was hoping that there would be.
So our favorite butterfly is the monarch butterfly. The Florida Viceroy looks pretty cool too. And up there they have the cocoons. They have the journey to become a butterfly. Just everything's super cool. Guys, look at this. This is so cool. This is a passion fruit tree and all these butterflies everywhere. They're all up there too.
Holy cow, they're all over there.
Look.
Come on there.
Because we really love coming in here. It's not like the Butterfly Museum in Key West, but
it's so cool. I love seeing all the monarchs. And just like with all the flowers and stuff. It's really cool. They fly by you. There's a monarch.
Cool.
Is he orange with white stripes and looks kind of like you, only smaller?
Yes, have you seen him?
Seen who? Hi, I'm Dory.
Swim over and say good day to your old pal Bruce. Like one morsel, mate. Fish are friends for food. For you.
When your dad was like, and then he was like, whoa! Now he was like, whoa! I saw Joey's and anglerfish and sharks.
dudes.
So many creatures.
Too many creatures.
Swimming around the sea.
Hi, I'm Dory.
Dolphin.
The big blue world. And all of them are out there for me.
That's what I'm afraid of.
How was your moose?
It was good. It was refreshing. It was light. It was just enough, and the pineapples made it really, really good. I liked it a lot. It was $4.50 or $4.25.
Yeah,
It was good.
we use that. Okay, so we're outside the park.
Surprise, surprise.
So the real question is, how far do you get outside the park before you take your mask off?
Well, we have to do the parking lot to take it off.
Because we usually get into the parking lot and then we yank it off.
It was really humid today, so like I know there's stuff.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a mess right up in here.
Oh yeah.
But no, that's a good question.
Leave a comment.
Yeah.
That's another question. Another discussion with the Bam Bam.
So, as I had just said that we wait till the parking lot, or Amber said it, one of the two. Like 3 old ladies in front of us.
Like,
They.
as soon as their foot touched the
It was
pavement,
hilarious.
and me and Brad were like, all right.
It's bad, guys. I'm just looking forward to where we don't have to wear masks anymore. Like I said a year ago, I don't know what video it was, I really hope that this isn't our new normal, and so far it has been. But we digress, and you're blurry.
That's okay.
There you go. So if you made it this far, sorry this is short. I don't know if it's just being picky, if we ate too much,
I think we ate too much, so then when we walked around, we're just like, ugh.
or I don't see anything that I really want to try.
I probably want to get the frushi again.
Yeah, that
And
braised
then
pork was
maybe
good.
that smoothie again from Isla Fresca.
I
But
mean, I'm tempted to have the pork belly, but I'm
I
not
think
sure.
you want the tip, so either the...
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so I mean, there's a few more things. So we might have to come back again, and it'll be like part 3-ish,
Yeah.
or just kind of like an add-on.
So, but guys, thank you so much for making it this far.
Thank you
haven't
for
done-
subscribing. If
Yeah.
you have,
Yeah, I
that's
was
what he was
about
going
to
to
say
say. Like I said earlier, we are trying to get monetized, hopefully by the end of the year. That is our amazing goal, and we know that we can reach it because of you guys. So if you can please share with your family and friends.
Yeah, definitely. But guys, thank you so much for watching, and we definitely will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.